Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find Tanabata streamers in Forza Horizon 6. Now Tanabata streamers are visible only in summer season just next to May's house. Like here you can see this is May's house, and just next to his house, maybe right here, you should be able to find Tanabata streamers. But as you can see, this is not the summer season, that's why I'm not able to see Tanabata streamers. So in order to complete the challenge, the trick you can use, simply just go to Creative Hub tab, simply choose Event Lab, and here make sure to select the Play Challenges option. Now here you can see we have the option to search, so you have to simply select that option. Then here in the share code you need to enter this particular share code, and once you enter it, simply hit confirm. Then you should be able to see the challenge. Select that, and yes, you can see the challenge has started, and this is the Tanabata streamers whose photo we need to capture to complete the challenge. So we have to wait until the challenge start. So you'll able to see Tanabata streamers on this road. Like even if I just we have to open the photo mode first, and we have Tanabata streamers right here. Then here as well you can just go backward and you'll able to find more. So I guess I'm gonna take the photo of this. So we just have to capture the photo, and that way you'll able to complete the challenge, as you can see. So it is that easy. Now you can just exit the photo mode, and if you wanna quit the challenge, you can simply just quit it from here, and that way you'll able to complete the challenge of Tanabata streamers in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.